All right, it's a beautiful Saturday in Durango, and below me you will see a bunch of different lines pointing all sorts of directions. In the street of Thomas Ave, for example. This house is under contract and it is scheduled to close. However, I want to bring an important notice to everyone that's purchasing a home, because usually we think that sewer isn't important unless you're buying in the county and you have a septic system. However, this area of Durango has been, over the years, a topic of conversation because of what's below me, which is the main sewer line in Durango, which consists of a bunch of different systems that have kind of all been hodgepodge together over the years. This below me is actually an Orangeburg plumbing system, which is similar to clay. So the sewer line of this house, for example, is running from outside of the home, an old cast iron plumbing system that would connect into a clay system or Orangeburg. Now this home has been upgraded, so there is PVC piping instead of the cast iron piping. However, upon inspection, we did notice that there was an issue with the connection point between the city line and the upgraded line. So this is just a word of advice of living in Durango. Even if you're purchasing within the city limits, it's always important to get a sewer line inspection.